How to fix Rapido app not working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store and check for updates for the Rapido application. Now search for Rapido and make sure to update to the latest version. Now once you are done, go back. Go back to your home screen and open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on app management and search for Rapido. Tap on it, click on force stop. Now go to storage usage. Tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now restart the application. If the issue is still not fixed, go back to the Play Store, tap on uninstall, then reinstall this application. After installing, restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on a specific topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.